doing 3.1, example 6. It says find the limit as x approaches 3. As x approaches 3 of x squared minus or plus 2x minus 15 divided by x minus 3. Okay, notice this is a new one for us, because what I've been saying in the previous examples is that as long as you don't end up with a 0 in the denominator, you don't have a problem with just simply plugging the number in. Here we do have that problem, right? If I try to plug in 3 here, 3 minus 3 is 0. Cannot divide by 0. Very important. Remember that. And also 0 divided by 0, notice that in fact if you plug in 3 here, 3 squared is 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 15. You actually get 0 divided by 0. So in fact, let's just go ahead and write this. This is 0 over 0. This is completely undefined. This doesn't mean anything. Undefined. So get used to that fact. Really, if you see a 0 in the denominator, that is the problem. If there's simply only a 0 in the numerator and something besides 0 in the denominator, no problem. 0 divided by anything is 0, except 0. So 0 over 0 is undefined. If you get this, that means you're going to have to try to do something else. And in this particular problem, the trick is that we factor. Factor the numerator only, in this case, is all we need to do. Factoring that numerator, remember how we factor? We look for, in this particular case, we look for two numbers that are going to multiply together to give us negative 15, add together to give us positive 2. I think 5 and 3 and negative 3 are going to do that. They multiply together to give you negative 15, add together to give you positive 2. Again, if you FOIL that out, you'll get that. So if you're not up on your factoring, be sure and practice that. And then we notice that this is over still x minus 3. At this point, we notice that we have exactly the same factor here and here. Since we're taking a limit, we can just go ahead and cancel these. And then we're left with this. The limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 5. Now I don't have any denominator, so there's no problem with simply plugging in the number 3. If I plug in 3 here, 3 plus 5, 8, and that is our final answer for this problem. The limit is 8.